What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 61 and today's topic will be how to delete nodes using limit keywords. So in the initial days when you just started this tutorial, that time you have seen like how you can limit the number of nodes when you are getting something from the return keyword. But in this tutorial we'll see how to limit the deletion. For example, you are having thousands nodes and you want to delete, let's say, 10 nodes using delete keyword. So for that purpose you need to use the limit keyword to limit the deletion for only 10 nodes. So that is the tutorial for today's topic. So one slide is for using Neo4j web UI and another one is Python ID. So using Python ID we'll use the CYPHER thing, and here we'll only using plain CYPHER. So let me just open the CYPHER this thing, not CYPHER, this Neo4j console, and we'll see if we have any nodes or not available. So return n. So nothing is there. So what I'll do, we'll try to create some nodes, and for that purpose we'll use for each loop. So for each I in range, and we'll use 1 to 10. We'll use create node n, and we'll give its name as shirts. Okay, so let's run this thing first. So 10 nodes added. If you want to see, you can see it here. See, there are total 10 nodes, and these are the IDs actually for the nodes. Okay, so we'll create, let's say this is shirt, let's say we'll create t-shirts, or like just only t-shirts, and here we'll create, let's say, jeans. Okay, so now we'll see. Okay, match and return end. So let's count this thing to verify. So count would be 30. Okay, sorry, so 30. So all together. So what I'll do, I'll just make a copy of this thing, create multiple nodes using for each. So this is the first step. So there I'll use this thing together. Here we'll write shirts, t-shirts and jeans, and then verify. So this is more or less, guys, this is not a tutorial only, this is more or less going to be a kind of a use case, so you guys can understand easily like what are the things I'm doing. So now you guys also like not immediately, but after watching this tutorial can just guys can just start thinking about the different use cases and try to apply all your CYPHER knowledge or Python knowledge to create some nice descriptive use case, and you also can share with me that as well. And if you are having any difficulties or doubt, if you just want me to complete the use case also, you can do it. So I just received this use case from one of our subscriber who actually asked me or requested me for this thing. Probably his name is Bhavesh, I don't know, I forgot actually. So thanks Bhavesh, I don't know your name, you just wrote in your like username VHAVS, so probably Bhavesh, I don't know, but again this is only for you because you requested this thing. So verify the creation. Okay, here actually you can use this thing. Okay, so this will give you the count of 30. Okay, output will be 30, sorry 30 not 39. Okay, now we'll actually limit the deletion. So what is going to happen here now, limit the deletion for shirts node delete only two nodes, two shirts node. Okay, so now this and this, so let's try this thing here. So sorry here, so what I'll do now, match n shirts. Okay, SHINIR, probably, let me check. Okay, SHIR, yes, right. So with n limit 2. Okay, delete n. Deleted 2 nodes. Let's see, deleted 2 nodes. Now we'll do the count again here. So it will be 8 actually. So shirts return count n, so this should be 8. See, so this is the use of the delete keyword with limit. So like this, and probably I think I should make it a bit smaller. 11 is fine. Okay, this, now verify the deletion. Verify the deletion. You can run this thing simply, this query. This will definitely give you output of 8. Okay, so output is 8. So that's it. So this is very simple tutorial, but going to be very important. So similar way you can do the same thing for, let's say, t-shirts. Oh sorry, it's going to be SHIRTS t-shirts, this, jeans, this, and after that to do all the deletion, then you just write match n shirts return count of n. See, this is 8. So let's try with t-shirts. So this also will be 8, and if you do it for jeans, then also it will be 8. So like the same way you can do it. So I think we should this part is completed. So the next part is using Python ID. So what I'll do, I will just delete, or probably for Python ID what I'll do, let me just write down the code first from here. Okay, so from like Neo4j import graph database, then probably driver equals to graph database dot driver URI, sorry, URI is going to be, we'll put the URI and OUTH is like this. So I'm just thinking how to deal with this. So okay, so you need to just use the bold protocol address. I think URI is going to be like this, and auth is going to be Neo4j, and we'll use our user ID and password, which is okay. So let's run this thing first. URI, it is saying URI is not defined. Why this is not defined? Terminated. I actually forgot to do this thing. Then we just create one session object. So session is going to be driver dot session. Let's run this thing first. Let's check. Yeah, everything is fine. So now we'll write our query. So first query is limit the deletion. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just copy paste the query from here actually. Okay, actually match in shirts with n limit, let's say 2, delete n. Okay, so let's run this thing first, and once this is done, there will be another query which is q2, and we will run this thing, and for that probably match in shirts. Okay, oh actually shirts will be in capital. Okay, so this is going to be return count n. So here we are going to delete 2, and here going to return the number of available nodes. So right now if I run this thing, let's run this thing first. It will return count of n. So this is 8. So ideally this should return 2. So now what will happen, session dot run will run first the q1, and after that we'll run result equals to session dot run, and we'll run q2. Okay, and we'll print list of result. So this will return 6, like count is 6, something like that. Okay, so let's run this thing first. So whatever we are expecting, this is working fine. So we can do it like, change it like t-shirts. This is also going to return 6. This is also return, if you just remove another time, if you run this thing, so 6 will become 4. So now it will become 4. Oh, t-shirts limit 2, then it is running this thing. Actually we need to run this t-shirt, that is why it should be, if I run this thing again it will become 4 2. Now it will be 2 actually, 2. If let's run jeans will be also 6. No, 6, not 6, because I didn't change this thing actually. Sorry guys. So what I'll do, I'll just, so let's run this thing. So jeans is 6 now. So if I run this thing, jeans will be decreased by 2 again. So it will be 4, and now it will be 2. Okay, So this is very simple, this is very normal thing, you guys can do it. So what I'll do, I'll just take a copy paste of this thing and put it here, and make it like, let's say 12. Okay, fine. So for Python, actually I didn't do this steps like how to create for each and all. Definitely you guys can do it, but I'm not doing that. So this is completed tutorial, guys, how you can use delete and limit keywords together to restrict the number of deletion. For example, suppose you want to delete something, or you want to give users some sort of like restriction on your database or any application, or you are developing some sort of logic where at a time the deletion should be not more than 2 or 3. So this sort of logics or application specific what do you say, the intelligence you can easily achieve using different CYPHER keywords, and it is very simple. And if your programming language or backend is Python, then also it is possible. And not only Python, it supports, as I told you, like Node.js, Java, other languages as well. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. But before closing this session or tutorial, I will try to like remind you guys one thing. Please try to do some sort of practice, grab your pen and paper or computer or laptop, whatever, try to do some sort of coding, try to think about any use case. If you have something in your mind, if you are trying to achieve, if you are not able to do, please let me know, I'll try to achieve. So again, this use case is actually from one of our like subscriber or member. This is very simple thing, but again, as he's trying to learn this Neo4j, probably he's facing some difficulties. So I told him, just give me some time, I'll come up with some sort of video tutorial. So I know definitely in the future some of you also will be interested to know how to delete using limit keywords. So that is why this tutorial, so it will be definitely help not only that member or specifically that member, but definitely some other guys. So if you have some same sort of any suggestion, feedback, or if you have any use case where you are finding difficulties, please let me know. I will try to like include all those use cases in the next video. And those are watching our channel for the first time, it's a request, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. You can share our videos with family and friend. And for the Udemy students, special thanks to you guys. Because of you guys, actually I am getting much more confidence and motivation to upload new topics. So thanks for everyone. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.